Iguana Yachts. French-built amphibious luxury boats called Iguana Yachts provide a smooth transition from the water to the land. The Iguana X 100 and Iguana Yachts 30-foot range, which are their flagship models, feature open and cabin layouts as well as strong outboard engines that can reach speeds of 35 knots at sea. They have lots of storage space, comfortable furniture, and retractable all-terrain tracks. With self-draining decks and automated inflation systems, Iguana Yachts put safety first. They are perfect for adventurers because of their exceptional fusion of performance, luxury, and versatility. Clevon One. Estonian company. Clevon has developed the Clevon One autonomous delivery vehicle line, designed for last-mile logistics efficiency and sustainability. The compact and nimble Clevon One can navigate narrow streets and sidewalks with ease and can accommodate up to 60 pounds of groceries or packages. It uses LiDAR, cameras, and radar sensors for autonomous navigation, with a human operator providing remote monitoring. Clevon One is sustainable, eco-friendly, and has versatile applications beyond food and package delivery, making it a promising solution for last-mile logistics. Slingshot Polaris. The Polaris Slingshot is a three-wheeled motorcycle, first introduced in 2014 as a 2015 model year vehicle. It is classified as a motorcycle in most jurisdictions, but it has features of both motorcycles and automobiles. Powering a GM Ecotec 2.0-liter engine, it has a curb weight of 1,651 pounds and a length of 149.6 inches. The Slingshot offers a comfortable ride with features like adjustable tilt steering, heated and cooled seats, Bluetooth audio, navigation, and a backup camera. Available in various trim levels, the Slingshot is a unique and thrilling vehicle. BeTriton. BeTriton is an electric tricycle with 3 modes of operation: motorboat, camper, and e-bike. It has a large cabin, a kitchenette, a quiet electric engine, and lots of storage. It permits smooth transitions between land and water and provides environmentally friendly exploration. BeTriton offers unmatched freedom and environmentally friendly experiences, making it ideal for weekend trips or cross-country travel. Adventuresome travelers can enjoy the thrill of multi-mode vehicles with this versatile vehicle that can be converted into a trailer. H1 Panther. A robust off-road vehicle capable of navigating both land and sea conditions is the H1 Panther. It can handle rough terrain and choppy waves thanks to its integrated jet drive, powerful diesel engine, and tough exterior. There is seating for 8 people in this large cabin, which also has a kitchenette and a shower. The H1 Panther's smooth transition between land and sea makes it ideal for both opulent island-hopping excursions and coastal raids. It's the ultimate dream vehicle for an amphibious explorer. Ninebot Gokart Kit. With a bucket seat, steering wheel, and pedals, the Ninebot Gokart Kit is an electric go-kart add-on for Segway Ninebot electric scooters that provides an exciting ride. It has a mechanical handbrake, 2 800 watts brushless motors, and an adjustable seat that can accommodate riders who are 4 feet 5 inches to 6 feet 3 inches. With the ability to support up to 220 pounds, the kit can be operated through a smartphone app that tracks battery life, adjusts speed, and displays race lap times. It is long-lasting, appropriate for people of all ages, and has a foldable design, pneumatic tires, LED headlights, and IPX4 water resistance. Autogyro. Based on the Autogyro Clevon and Kaleidos models, the Gyro Motion is a hybrid gyroplane that is capable of both driving and flying. It can travel on roads with an electric motor, giving it a bird's-eye perspective and a smooth transition from riding to driving. It can easily fit 2 people for romantic getaways or breathtaking flights, with a range of up to 700 kilometers in the air and 100 kilometers on the ground. Safety features like airbags, a stall warning system, and a ballistic parachute are standard on the Gyro Motion. Its responsive control system and stable rotor system make flying it simple, even for inexperienced pilots. Europe's only legally allowed gyroplane is called the Gyro Motion. Outrider Coyote. For adventurers with limited physical capabilities as well as those without, the Outrider Coyote is a cutting-edge all-terrain vehicle. At 850 pounds, it is the lightest 4WD ATV in the world. A single 1,512 watt-hour lithium-ion battery can propel it 20-35 miles, and 3 packs can extend its range to 80-140 miles. With its soft air shock suspension and independent 4-wheel drive, it can handle a variety of terrain. In addition, the Coyote provides comfortable seating, safety features like seatbelts and roll bars, and adaptive controls for riders with limited mobility. It represents inclusivity and freedom in an empowering way. PLATYPUS. Transforming between surface and underwater activities, the PLATYPUS is a unique kind of underwater vehicle. Its central platform, which can hold up to 4 passengers, and its 2 buoyant hulls give it a catamaran-like appearance. It achieves underwater viewing without the need for traditional scuba gear by using hydraulically powered arms to submerge beneath the waves. With a 5.5 meter length, a 3.3 meter beam, a 0.5 meter draft, and a 3-knot speed, the PLATYPUS is relatively agile and provides expansive views. Mud Ox XL. An all-terrain vehicle made for rough terrain is the Mud Ox XL. Its gas EFI engine with 57 or 85 horsepower can tow or haul up to 2,500 pounds of cargo. The easy-to-use XL 57 steering wheel controls complement the hydrostatic drivetrain's smooth control. Because of its versatility, the Mud Ox XL can be used for both work and play. A gas EFI engine with 57 or 85 horsepower, a hydrostatic drivetrain, XL57 steering wheel controls, remote controls, and the ability to tow up to 2,000 pounds are some of the important features. If you like this video, please subscribe and activate all notifications. See you in the next video.